Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by AAFX Trading.
Good morning, and thank you for joining our Daily Outlook. And today, we'll cover the changes in the Australian dollar and US dollar pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin gained 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. NIO shares fell 1.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
The S&P 500 and Nasdaq indexes hit record closing highs, powered mainly by technology stocks, as markets digested economic data that could support a much-expected start to the Federal Reserve's policy easing cycle. Mining firm Marathon Digital has sold over 60% of all Bitcoin it has mined since the halving took place in late April. According to Marathon's monthly report, it sold 390 Bitcoin, representing more than 63% of its 616 BTC production during the month. Oil prices climbed, rebounding from 4-month lows, as hopes of an interest rate cut by the US Federal Reserve in September outweighed demand concern after data showed builds in US crude and fuel stocks.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst review of today's most interesting economic events.
Germany's factory orders will be released at 6 GMT. Australia's exports at 1:30 GMT. Japan's overall household spending at 23:30 GMT. Australia's trade balance will be released at 1:30 GMT. The US unit labour costs at 12:30 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.